Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. We're starting off with a horrible order, but I'm going to do a couple orders today since it's my day off. I want to make some money, and this order literally is exactly on this, like this, it's exactly 0% out of the way that I was already driving. $4.50 to go exactly which way I was already driving. The Saki house is literally right there. Like, if this truck wasn't here, it's literally on the other side of that truck. So I just got into my car from the gym and gonna take this $4.50 order, and hopefully Doordash rewards me with a good order after that, because I'm taking your crappy orders, Doordash, but it's a crappy convenient order. Crappy but convenient. Maybe I'll title that today's video. Anyways, all right, be right back. Let's get this order. All right, so we got it's pretty quick. I think I waited there for about 3 minutes or so, but crappy but convenient. It is right exactly on the way, and it's right next to the grocery store, and I need to pick up some groceries for my last 4 days in Florida. That's right, only here for 4 more days. Well, today's Wednesday, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. After today, 4 more days. I'm so excited to get back on the road and start driving to San Antonio, where I'll drop off my stage, because we got a show there later this month, or next month, November 25th through 28th, we have shows there. Anyways, so let's drop off this order. Crappy but convenient. All right, just dropped off that order. Crappy but convenient. Wasn't out of the way at all. Didn't really take much extra time, and got it done real quick. Anyway, so today I got some questions for my audience. So I'm actually in the process of coming up with the 2022 Doordash cheat codes. For those of you who don't know, which I feel like everyone would know what those videos are, that's my tips and tricks videos for, I don't know, I do it every single year. It's the reason my Postmates cheat codes video is the one that like took off my channel and I started doing delivery. And Doordash cheat codes 2021 is my most popular video. I think about half of you have subscribed from that video probably. I believe I got like 4,000 subscribers from that one. It's got like 300,000 views. Anyway, so what I'm asking you guys is list your #1 tips down below, and I will credit you guys in the video when I make it if I use one of your tips. Of course, if you list one of the tips that I already have in the video, though, those are pretty standard tips that I'm gonna give, but any unique tips, if you guys have any great tips, list them down below, and I'm just trying to help out as many people as I possibly can. But I really want to kind of plan this video, so I've been like slowly writing down new tips and stuff, getting tips from other drivers and all that stuff. So if you want to contribute and help out the fellow Doordash drivers, list them down below. Anyway, so crappy but convenient order done. We made $4.50. Like I've always said, it's not really about like how much money you make, how quickly. It's kind of more about how convenient you make that money, because I haven't driven out of my way. So basically it cost me 0 in gas to do this order, because I was already driving this way anyways. So now I've basically made $4.50 to drive to the gym, and I'm still out of the gym, so I'm still going to be driving for quite a bit on the way home. I heard a very, very amazing quote the other day on the Valuetainment channel, and it is, you cannot teach a man something that they already know. So being an independent contractor, or just about anything in life, especially entrepreneur, you have to be open-minded, you have to want to learn, and you have to be constantly trying to improve yourself. And a lot of people think they know everything, and those people don't know everything. If you think you know everything, you're going to be for a rude awakening when your life starts to not go completely perfect. You always have to be constantly improving. And if you stop constantly improving, that's when you're going to get stagnant and eventually start to fall behind. If you think, especially when people start to think that they have success and they start to buy new clothes and like all this other stuff, and then you have like a down month or something, like, for example, if my YouTube channel was my only revenue source, man, I would have a very, very up and down life, because my ad revenue is so sporadic. It has gone from like, just this year, it's gone from $1,200 all the way up to 2,800 and back down, and now it's at like 17 or 1,600 or something like that. So you can't count on everything in life. Even though I continuously make videos and stuff, it's up and down. And I don't know everything. Like, there's things and tips and tricks, and if someone gives me some tips on YouTube, I'm gonna be all ears. I'm trying to learn as much as I possibly can. So you cannot teach a man something they already know. Meaning, if you think you already know something, it's hard to teach you something, you know? So especially in business, I try to be as open-eared as possible because I know that I'm relatively new in the business world. I've only been an entrepreneur for about 4 years. So still pretty new. But anyways, all right, let's see if we can get another order. I'll be right back when we hopefully get one. All right, just picked up another order. Gotta be honest, it's not that good. It's not very convenient. I guess it's kind of convenient, but it is about 4 miles east of where I'm going, but it pays $9.75 for 8 miles. So it's not that bad. It's pretty good, but I plan on dashing for at least a few hours today just because I'm bored and there's nothing to do, and it's my last day and last day off in Tampa. So I'm just kind of trying to make money today. So we're picking up this order. It's a good order. I wouldn't say it's crappy, but convenient. But yeah, so far at least it pays like a little bit more than $1 a mile. So it's a good way to make a nice little chunk of change real quick. Looks like it's right up here. There it is, Jason's Deli, right next to Five Guys. All right, be right back. All right, so just dropped off that order. It was to Harley Davidson. Gave me a $4 tip. Nice. $4 cash tip. Anyway, so we've made $15 so far, basically. Well, no, 19 if you include the cash tip. Now we gotta drive 4.9 miles back towards my house. Not really that convenient, gotta be honest. Wanted to title this crappy convenient, but whatever. Maybe I'll still title it that. Anyway, so I had to switch my dashing zone, so now I'm gonna try to get just about any order that goes east 5 miles or anything at all. So hopefully we're not trying to waste any extra miles today. Anyway, so I'll be right back as soon as we get another order. This is the longest daily dash we've done so far in the last like 3 months, guys. We are hustling. We are hustling. I'm also logged into Instacart because I do need to go grocery shopping, like I said. So I'm trying to keep it convenient, but oh, wow. I was literally about to say we haven't gotten anything and something just popped. Oh, I shouldn't have. Oh, I should have just clicked on it. Damn it, it was there. It's $15 for 15 items. Should have just clicked it. Should have clicked it. Anyways, all right, well, I was literally about to say there has not been any batches all day, but there was one and I didn't click on it fast enough. That's what happens. Nah, I don't know. I would have wanted to see where it was taking me, because if it was going the opposite direction, then I'd have to drive even further back home. So anyways, all right, be right back. We turn it around. We got an order, $7.75. It only goes 1.2 miles east, but okay, and it's a 4 mile order, so I actually have to go north a bit. So yeah, we're adding an extra 3 miles to this order. Still convenient though, and we're making $7, so that's pretty good, you know? And we're going 1.2 miles back out of the 5 that we needed to go, but we're making $7.75. If there was I'm just saying, it's 4.2 miles, I believe, for the entire trip. That looks like it could be a post tip. Possibly could be a post tip. We're in Carrollwood, by the way, for anyone who's wondering. Carrollwood, Florida. I've never even heard of it, but we're in Carrollwood. All right, just picked up the order, and all right, so we have been dashing since 12:40, and it is 1:07, which means, sorry, no, 12:30 we've been dashing. So we've been dashing for about 40 minutes. By the time I drop off this order, we'll have made $27 at least, if there is not a post tip. $27, that's pretty damn good in an hour. This is the most I've made in an hour door dashing in probably the past 6 months, at least. That's not saying very much though. Comment down below, question of the day. Comment down below, what is the most you guys have ever made in an hour? I think the most I've ever made in an hour was 60. and I did vlog it, and this was like, I think it was like daily dash number like 6 or something like that. So it's quite a bit ago. But anyways, all right. Got this order from Beefy Brady's. Never heard of that place, but it smells really, really good. It's making me really hungry, but I am fasting until 2 or 3 o'clock today. Depends on when I'm done dashing, but I'm not gonna cave. I'm not gonna get, I don't know, man. I gotta be honest, In-N-Out has sounded so good all week. I love In-N-Out so bad, but there's no In-N-Out in Florida. Anyways, all right, let's go drop off this order. All right, just dropped off the order. Now we have made $29 because there was an extra $1.50 on there. So it went from $7.75 to I think it was $9.25. Anyways, I had to switch my dashing area again. Now we're still trying to go east, but I'm driving to the I gotta go to a credit union. Yesterday or 2 days ago, I took out a $15,000 loan to invest into my footwear company, because we got for one, I really wanted to buy equity back off of my partner because I'm doing the vast majority of the work in the footwear company, and I was a 51% owner in the company, and I'm going to be about 60%. So that was something that was important to me, and that's why I wanted to take out the personal loan. And I mean, yeah, I don't know, that's buying stock for me. Like, that's the most important thing for me, is owning the most stock that I possibly can in my own footwear company. I would buy more back, but I think we have other investors that are going to come in and buy out some of the equity, so that way it's more about, like, it'll probably be me sitting at 60% of the company, and then a few other people holding 5 to 10%. That way we can split up the workforce and have other people working on the business as well. That's basically my business plan right now. But anyways, I don't think we're gonna get any more orders because they'd have to be pretty damn convenient, because I do need to go to the bathroom very bad right now. So I gotta go straight to at least the credit union, and hopefully they have a bathroom there. But anyways, so again, kind of wanted to just remind everyone, like, personal loans are something that I am a big fan of. I have all of my businesses, well, except for the YouTube channel, but my other businesses came from me taking out personal loans. It's not like I don't have the money, but when you have extra money, like, I have a very cash is trash mentality when I come to think about money. Like, sure, I have $15,000 in my bank right now, but do I want to use all of my capital that I have for myself for a long-term investment? Like, the shoes pay themselves off, and the shoes are kind of like a passive income that I'm creating. The more I'm investing in the footwear company, the more passive income that comes from it. So I'd rather use other people's money to make more money for me. Whenever you're taking out a personal loan, it's very important that you use that debt that you're creating to create more wealth for yourself. If it's not creating more money for you, then it's bad debt. Credit card debt and all that stuff is not good debt. Like, if you just have a bunch of credit card debt, you gotta work on that. The credit card debt that's not good debt. Personal loans and business loans and all that kind of stuff, or even a car loan if you're using it to make money, those are good loans, and those are good debts that you can have. As long as your debt is making money, you shouldn't be afraid to get into debt. And that's my opinion. Dave Ramsey would think otherwise, if you guys know who Dave Ramsey is, but I don't think Dave Ramsey has even like a quarter of the net worth as someone like Grant Cardone or Patrick Bet-David or other people who use debt to create wealth, you know? Anyways, so don't be afraid of debt. If you can, take out a personal loan. If you have a good idea and what is holding you back from starting that business or whatever idea it is, don't be afraid to at least consider getting a personal loan out. It's usually harder to get over like $10,000. Like, this is probably my 6th or 7th personal loan I've ever taken out. And I had to kind of negotiate for $15,000. I wanted to get $20,000 out, but because my ex-fiance's car is still in my name, just something we need to get taken care of pretty soon, that is still kind of damaging my credit. So even though my credit score is about 760, because of the 2 cars that I have on credit. I was not able to get the whole 20,000, but it's not a big deal. 15,000. I'll take 5,000 out of my crypto account or something if I need it. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Shiba Inu to the moon. Right now we are up. Let's see. Let me just tell you guys. All right, we've put in $300 and we are sitting at 961. It's about damn time. I've been doing crypto for a year now and I haven't had a single coin that has taken off like this. So finally I took a decent gamble and I fucking got a decent return. Anyways, I don't know. It could always sink too, but I don't think it's going to right now. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching the ramble. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you like this video for me, help me out, and also subscribe. Hopefully I can give you guys some kind of knowledge in the future and you guys learn something from these videos. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Go check out offaxisathletics.com. You can pre-order the alpha skate shoes that we just created and are about to be on a boat pretty soon. And yeah, use the discount code offaxistanner for 30% off. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.